Hey adventurers, welcome to another video. Alright, we're back inside because of COVID, so let's check out some things that we picked up to try to improve some of the quality of our content. I'm going to show you a clip of a video that I did while out shooting the What barbecue. Unfortunately, I didn't have my other light set with, so I was having difficulties finding some light. Check this out. Yeah, it's not so good. You barely see me. I'm trying to get the restaurant in the background and it's just not working out. If you watch that video, you probably noticed that this is not even in there. It's because the lighting was so bad that I just cut it all out. So, without further ado, let's check out the product that we picked up. It is the Superstar Essential Vlogging Kit. It's by a company called Digipower. So let's open this thing up and check it out. I wanted something that was easy to carry, lightweight, small, and could be used with my iPhone. I primarily use the iPhone when I'm out shooting. And this one comes with the attachment little boom arm that you can put the microphone, the shotgun microphone on, as well as a little light, and of course your iPhone. It's going to connect to a tripod, any type of tripod that you have. All right, let's see what is inside. I hope everyone is staying safe during this global pandemic. It's kind of dragging on much longer than I think anyone anticipated, so I hope everyone's picking up hobbies. I know I am. I mean, I just have terabytes and terabytes of travel content from before. It's not all made for YouTube, but I'm slowly going through it and seeing what I can salvage and turn into little clips from around the world. I've lived in Europe, North America, Asia. I have lots of content from the past years that I want to show everyone, including new content from my time here in Asia now. All right, wow, awesome. This is exactly what I was looking for. Okay, let's check it out. All right, comes with its own little shotgun mic. Too cool. Oh, it's got some options here. You can either have it for your phone or camera. Oh, so this shotgun mic should work on my phone, and when I go to use the camera, I can just switch it over and use it for the camera as well. Oh, that's awesome. Check that out. Digipower. I'll hook it up later and we'll do a little test video and see what it sounds like. Cool. All right, awesome. Here's the boom arm. So this is going to allow me to attach the light, the microphone. My camera just died. You might not get any upper shots. Wah, wah. No upper shots. All right, cool. The next thing we have is the specific reason that I was looking for something, and it is a small LED lighting kit. It's about the half of the size of a credit card. Really small, lots of little LEDs though. This is going to be perfect. Should put out just enough light if you're doing a selfie. Oh, this is going to be great. This is awesome. Right, charging cable, battery, I assume for the shotgun mic. All right, here's a little mounting bracket. All right, it's plastic, so lightweight. All right. Oh, wow, look at this. Huh, little filters. Cool, diffusers. Looks like a blue and a reddish, orangish color. And a white one. All right. Oh, this is great. Okay. And we have here the tripod. Yeah. Oh, wow, check this out. But inside the legs, I don't know if you can see that, check that out. Little secret compartment. All right, so Bluetooth clicker. These are useful. I don't know if anyone uses those. I use them all the time. I'm using this one for this video right now. Bluetooth clicker. So I assume this battery goes with this. All right. But wait, there's more. What was that guy's name? Billy Banks, Billy something. But wait, there's more. Whoa. here must be the iPhone mount. All right, just spring powered, extendable. Now, by the looks of it, I don't have like one of those mega phablet iPhones. So this, I'm pulling it as far as it'll go, and it looks like it's gonna fit a standard iPhone. So if you use like the Plus or the Max or whatever, or those big Samsung devices, this may not work for you. I don't have one here to test, but I'm gonna put a regular size iPhone in it, and if it just fits, then you'll know if you have one of those big iPhones that you don't want to get this. All right. And one other item hidden inside the tripod is the bolt for the GoPro attachment. So if you take a GoPro, these fold down like that, and you can just attach it on and then put your GoPro on like that. All right. Oh, this is awesome. This is going to be perfect. All right, so let's get this sucker put together and see how everything works. How's that sound? All right. Boom. Trap. I always say boom. You guys notice that? Boom. Boom. Why do people? I don't know why I say boom. Isn't that Emerald Chef guy's catchphrase? It's not my catchphrase. Anyway, so without saying boom, let's check out the tripod. All right. So I'm just going to start with the base. I'm going to attach. All right, so far so good. How's that look, everyone? All right. So this looks like it's going to go with the lighting system. I'm going to put the light on first. Then I'm going to attach it. All right. This keeps moving. I don't like that. Find out why it's not tight, because this is tight and this is tight, but yet there's still play in here. We'll have to check out the instructions and see what's up with that. Okay, let's install our battery. And get our microphone mounted on. A little twist, and there we have it. All right, let's grab an iPhone and see if it will fit. Let's use this one here. Oh, yep. It just barely fits a normal size iPhone. Now, I don't know why this thing rotates like it does, because unless this is meant to be just stationary, which I hope not, because I was hoping to use it in the field and be able to hold it, but if I try to hold it, it's going to do this on me. All right, let's get this figured out. Look, you're seeing me, Okay. So there's no other clamps or buffers or anything in the box. So I'm guessing this is supposed to be like this. I was hoping that when you put the two on there, there would be enough tension between them, where they would tighten up, but it's not seeming to be that way. The charging cable fits. Let me take this mount off. Right at the bottom. And be careful putting it in. It's not very sturdy. It is kind of cheap, so be careful. All right, I'm gonna get this plugged in. I have a battery pack right there. And let's get it charged up a little bit so we can try it out. All right, well that's charging. Let's get this set up. I'm gonna try a couple different things, but I do have some other iPhone holders. We'll just try these out just to see what happens if we can't get it to tighten down a little bit. Ah, there we go. Check it out. All right, so I just replaced the iPhone holder that came with it. There must not be enough thread space to get this on far enough to create the tension. So I used a different one that I had. Attached it to this tripod that I plan on using anyway. And attached a different iPhone holder. So we'll try to get it all leveled out and even here. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is once the LED finishes charging up, we'll put the iPhone in this other iPhone mount. We'll get the LED mounted up. It's already stabilized, it's tough. I should be able to hold it out and do a nice video that way, right? I think this is gonna work out good. It's light, super light. It's got the shotgun mic, the LED is gonna be there, and of course the iPhone for videoing. So far I like it. So, in unpacking review, make your own determination, but so far, the tripod that comes with it and the iPhone mount that come with it do not put enough pressure between the two to lock the boom arm in place. So that's one thing that's going to be a fail. Maybe if you buy one, yours won't fail, but luckily, I mean, these things are all over the place, these iPhone mounts, so I have bunches of them. So I just swapped one out. Let's check it out. I'm going to take this one off, the one that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to put the Digipower tripod on and see what happens. Maybe it's just the mount. Maybe the tripod is fine. So let's stick their tripod on there and see if we can't, if it doesn't hold tight. It should hold tight. Yeah, it holds tight. So the Digipower tripod is good to go. The only problem is the Digipower mount. And it's a real tight, small mount anyway. So Samsung folks, newer iPhone folks may be out of luck anyway. So if you buy this kit, I mean, it's cheap enough, I wouldn't worry about it. Just be prepared to use one of your other iPhone mounts or pick one up. iPhone mounts are dirt cheap too, so. But so far, that's the only issue that I have seen. I'm gonna come back in a little bit and the LED should be powered up and we're gonna see what it looks like, see how it functions, and see if we can't do some vlogging with light, and we'll take care of that shadowy, bad content. All right, we're back. The LED is charged. So let's get this thing set up and see what it looks like. There's a little button on the side. Just hold it down. It's gonna come on. Now it's pretty bright, as are most LEDs. So let's add a little diffuser on there, see how that works. So we're gonna get it set up. We're gonna try it in the studio, and then we're gonna take it outside into the dark. It's dark outside right now, So let's check it out and see in extreme dark conditions what it looks like, because if it works there, we know it'll work pretty much anywhere else. Get it mounted up here, tighten everything down. All right. Okay, we're going to use this iPhone. Everything is set up. We have it on this tripod for now, which is fine. When I go downstairs, actually, I'll just use this one the whole time. All right, so we've switched it around. I'm now using the mounted camera with the LCD that we got from our Essential Vloggers kit, and the microphone, the shotgun microphone. The LCD is not overpowering, which is really good. That's kind of like these other ones that we have. They're very bright, even if you put them all the way down to low. Let's take it outside and let's check it out, see what it looks like in the dark. Here you probably can't see me too well. I'm talking straight to the camera without the light on. Let's turn the light on and see how it works. Oh yeah, that's much better. So I think this video is going to be better. Let's take it back upstairs, we'll check it out, but I think this little lighting system is going to work great for those low light situations where you're just trying to do a selfie vlog. You don't have to set up a bunch of stuff. It's all right here on the boom arm, good to go. All right folks, so I'm going to finish up using the setup that we just purchased, put together, unboxed. Overall, I'm glad I purchased it. I got so frustrated with the video that we created down at the restaurant that I wanted to fix that, and I went out and just got this. So it was an impulse buy, a little more than I wanted to spend, but overall, I think it's a handy tool. It has all the features that I was actually looking for. It's great. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the Digipower Essential Vlogging Kit. It's a pretty nice setup. It's got a lot of good features inside. $60 online, and I'll let you know how it works when I actually do some more content creation. All right, if you love to travel, if you love seeing what's out there in the world, like I do, please subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more content that we create and put out, hit the bell icon. You'll get notified next time we put out some videos. And of course, give us a big thumbs up if you like this video. Comments if there's something that we could have done differently. We're always looking to improve, and that requires your feedback. All right, everyone, thanks a lot, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye for now.